Hello everyone, and in this episode I'm gonna show you how to remove the radio from the Ford Fiesta mk7 from 2013 till 2017. So for whatever reason you need this, usually I start removing this plastic, this one. You need to remove this up. I think there is like 1, 2 and 3 holders, not screws but just holders, and then we have, I think, 2 screws here, and I'm not sure, but I think 1 or 2 around here. So I'm gonna start with this. Need just some tools, and we try this. So stay tuned. You know, I don't really like these plastics, but hey, you don't wanna damage the dashboard, so you have to use this. Because if you use screwdrivers, I use always, you're gonna have problems. So use the plastics. If you don't have, well, believe me, it's better to buy. Let me remove this and then I will show you where to put, because it's hard to work with one hand, and I didn't bring the camera today, so I will remove it and then I will show you where you have to put the plastics to remove. So we have these 2 and these 4. So these 2 going inside here. You can see here and here. Sure. And like this. So you need to clip here and clip here and clip out. And the next one is over here, as you can see here. Yeah, here. And then the last one goes there. And they are a little harder to pull out, so you need a screwdriver. So that's for this upper plastic. And out of that, it's pretty much easy. You need to remove this one and those 2. I mean, these 2 Torx, 2 7s, and for this you take this out. So that's for this. So I will remove this and then we go out one. After removing the 4 bolts, you just unclip it out, and we have this one jack with electricity, and that's the main control unit. So you remove that, and rest is just, I believe, just take it out. Yeah, like this. So you need to remove the electricity, and when you remove this, goes on. What's left is these 2 screws for the display. Mostly this goes out, or this one. But if you want to put some navi or some better multimedia, yeah. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, follow, like. I will make a few more videos on this mk7, and I hope this will help you. And that's that. Thank you.